Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your PSP model and firmware because compatibility determines which theme files will work. Once done, make sure the memory stick is formatted and has enough space. You do not want interruptions mid-transfer. Next, copy the compatible theme or PBP file to the correct folder on the memory stick so the PSP can detect it. You're setting the stage to avoid errors. Each step prevents common issues during installation and saves time later. Now transfer the theme using USB mode or a card reader so the file lands in PSP/theme or PSP/theme/your ID. That folder structure lets the system list the theme. If your file is PBP and your firmware expects extraction or renaming, do that first. You want the files readable by the PSP. Once files are in place, safely remove USB mode, then navigate theme settings on the XMB to refresh and apply the theme. To finalize, select the new theme in theme settings and observe the XMB changes. If it does not appear, reboot the PSP to force a refresh. If the theme is missing or fails, check file names and the exact PSP/theme folder path, confirm firmware compatibility, and recopy the files in case of corruption. As a key troubleshooting tip, keep backups, and if the system behaves oddly, use recovery or restore default settings to return to a stable state before retrying the installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.